Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Steve Ropski at the Biology Department at Gannon, and I've been here 35 years, and I'm also a Gannon grad. And in those 35 years there's been a lot of highlights, and most of them are student oriented, so let me give you a few of them. The highlight for me is taking kids to Yellowstone National Park every summer. We've been doing this for 25 years, and it's one thing to talk about bears or coyotes or wolves or things in the classroom, but to take them out there and show them, just amazing. And we've been lucky enough to actually see grizzly bears kill elk and bison calf, and actually this past summer we watched wolves pull coyote pups out of a coyote den, kill and eat the coyote pups. How can you show that kind of stuff in the classroom? So that's a cool student highlight. I'm also proud that we have a very active chapter of Theta Omega, the National Biology Honor Society at our university, and it's all student run, and in 6 of the past 14 years our chapter was named the best chapter in the country, and there's 693 chapters in the whole country. And we've actually hosted the national convention twice too, and typically it goes to cities like New Orleans or San Diego or New York City, so we're proud of that and what students can do. I'm also excited that I get students involved in my research projects, and my long-standing one is doing research on bats. We have about 70 sites on campus where we sample for bats and see if they're there. We mark and tag them, come back every day to see if they make use of the same habitat day after day or not, and why. And it's all in relation to this disease called white nose syndrome. So we've been sampling bats for 12 years, and I have students that help me with that project. And we're starting up a new one based upon our new renovated library. We have a green roof on our library for the first time. And we're going to be starting a project in the spring to see what animals make use of a green roof. We're going to have motion sensing cameras up there. We're going to have the ability to census insects, what birds, all that kind of stuff. So that's a very cool project too. And lastly, we love to have you on campus, but we want to get you off campus as soon as we can too. We have 6 universities where you can spend a semester abroad studying and paying the exact same tuition that you would here at Gannon. And if you don't want to go for a whole semester, you can go for a couple weeks on maybe one of our alternative break service trips and do some great things somewhere in North America or in the world for that matter. Trips go to Haiti and India. And if there's nothing there that you want to do, you can always make one up yourself. I had students approach me 2 years ago about going to Melbourne, Australia. So we set up a trip. We went to Melbourne, Australia and spent a whole week studying sustainability in Melbourne, and we brought some of those ideas back to Erie and to the Gannon campus. And now I have students that are working with me that want to try and go to the Galapagos Islands. So we'd love to have you here. Come visit Gannon University, and I think you'll see and believe in the possibilities too.